Do not believe those crypto and YouTubers telling you that the bottom is in. The bottom is not in. They don't have a crystal ball, and if they did, they would all be billionaires, trillionaires. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the lies. The Bitcoin bottom is not in yet. Guys, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't been aware, there's been a crypto apocalypse going on. The crypto market has been doing bad. Bitcoin dropped. Not only did it drop below 20,000, it even went below 18,000. Guys, the crypto winter is here. Now, there's a lot of YouTube gurus, a lot of popular YouTube crypto influencers that have been selling people the dream that the Bitcoin bottom is in to start pouring their money in. Guys, I'm here to tell you this is unfortunate. I don't want this to happen, but the Bitcoin bottom is not in yet. There's still more room to go even further down. And honestly, right now, do not be surprised. I don't have a crystal ball, nothing's guaranteed, but do not be surprised that Bitcoin goes not only lower than 10,000, but don't be surprised to see possibly, it could be a quick flash crash to $5,000, which get quickly bought up by the buy orders at that level. Guys, look at the chart. Right here, that orange line, this is a level of support. As you can see, around here, since the pandemic crash happened, around this level, the 5,000s, between 5 to 6,000, it has been a strong support level. And Bitcoin has not broken it. It's been going up ever since, despite the pullbacks along the way. Now, if you're not aware, when it comes to trading, previous levels of support tend to be retested. So this area, let me zoom in so you guys can see it even better, has been a nice level of support. It might not hit it exactly, but do not be surprised if Bitcoin quickly retests the area between $5,000 to $6,000. So guys, most likely Bitcoin will go below 10,000. That is very possible. Nothing is guaranteed, and honestly, I would hope that things can recover, but with the way the world is looking right now, with inflation, gas prices, food shortages, things are not looking good. Not just in the US, but globally, inflation has been a major problem. And honestly, it's not just Bitcoin. This is the stock market. And as you can see, since January, you see more red than green. This is the weekly chart. Before that, it was just more green than red. Price was pumping up for years. But in 2022, we've seen more reddish weeks than we've seen bullish weeks. And honestly, there's still more room for the stock market to drop even further. It can retest this area right here, and it can go even lower and retest the crash area where when the pandemic had happened, it quickly crashed down and recovered. Guys, this is all possible. Nothing's guaranteed, but this would be very bad. And they are predicting that not only are we going to have a recession throughout 2022, but the recession will go into 2023. And honestly, this has shown us that Bitcoin is not a hedge against inflation. It is just another tech stock, and this is not good at all. And here, guys, the Feds hiked interest rate by 0.75 percentage point, the biggest increase since 1994, bigger than we had in 2008 recession. Man, things are not looking good at all. We would all love the Bitcoin to continue to climb up, climb higher, but what goes up must come down. But on a good note, what comes down must go up. Bitcoin has multiple lives. No matter how bad it gets, it always recovers. It's correlated to the stock market. And no matter how bad the stock market does, the stock market always recovers and makes a new all-time high. So eventually Bitcoin will recover, find a bottom, and make a new all-time high. But right now it's way too early. Way too early. Do not believe those crypto YouTubers telling you that the bottom is in. The bottom is not in. They don't have a crystal ball, and if they did, they would all be billionaires, trillionaires. Nobody knows what's going to happen with Bitcoin. But from what the charts show us, this has been a strong level of support, and Bitcoin is very close to actually retesting this previous level of support. So don't be surprised to not only see Bitcoin fall below 10,000, but possibly around that $5,000 to $6,000 area. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of buy orders at that area since price has shooted up. It's never really broken that level of support. It's been shooting up for the past 2 years. Guys, this is how crypto is. Stay safe. Be careful. Just know eventually things will recover. Eventually in a few years. We don't know exactly when. It could be 2 years from now, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years from now. Maybe something crazy might happen, and next year the recovery might come. Eventually there will be $100,000 Bitcoin. There will be another $60,000 Bitcoin. But for right now, guys, be safe. Look into projects that have long-term potential because everything's at a discount price. But just know that there is still a possibility and room for price to go down even further. And with that being said, I am out.